Guys, I would like to show you my collection of water gun. Alright, first of all, this one. Look at this. This is all automatic. Yes. Okay, on this one, you can adjust the hollow sight. This one. You can adjust it or you can take it off. Nahulog. Put it back. And adjust it again. So you have red dot. This one is moving. It's like a blowback. And this one, you can adjust also. Yes. Now, you can put it like that or you can put it like this. See? Adjustable. Very nice. So cool. And it has a stack. And this one, you can fold it and get the battery. See? Super easy to use. To be honest, this is my favorite. This is only water gun, guys. With lightning here. Look at that. And this is the magazine. And the second one is my M4. Look at this. Okay, on this one, there's a battery. And you can also adjust the hollow sight. Look at that hollow sight. It's still moving. So I will put it on the front side. So it will not move when I'm firing. Look at that hollow sight. Now it's stable. It's not moving because I switch it to the front area of the gun. M416 of PUBG Mobile. Look at the hollow scope. This one is the ring water gun because there's a ring. The ring itself is the magazine. Look at this. This is so cool. Look at this. It's opening this side. There's also a light. Very nice, diba? As you can see, you can detach the magazine and put it back if you want while putting the water. This is so nice. Look, I open it and now you can put the water inside. Alright, it's really nice, guys. If you want this, check my black app. This is really beautiful, amazing. Fantastic. I have two of this, gray and blue. Feels like Rambo. And this one. This one is manual. So cute. No batteries, only manual water gun. Classic. But the look is from the outer space. And my futuristic gun. This one has battery. Look. Automatic. Look. Futuristic. Like AK-117 in Code M. Look at that. Very nice. This one looks like a Desert Eagle. But look at this. Look at this, guys. Very nice. Sounds like duck. But look at the style. It will become two. The father and the son. Desert Eagle. Mini Desert Eagle and the large Desert Eagle. 2-in-1. Look at that. So cute. Very nice. If you like this, guys, don't forget to like and comment on my latest video. Look, you can shoot together. This is also a manual water gun. Let's go. And the most powerful, last but not the least, the P-Plant water gun can defeat the zombies. Manual also. So cute. And that's all. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. See you on my next vlog. Water gun collection. More is coming. And peace out. See you on my next video. Whoa!